Sketch graph of y equals 3 cosine of 2x minus pi plus 1. This has everything. It's got a B, a C, and if you act out, it comes with a D. But we're not going to look at it like this. We're going to rewrite it. We're going to consider it as y equals 3 cosine of 2 times the quantity x minus pi over 2 plus 1. So before we graph this thing, let's talk about its properties. Firstly, the domain. This one's nice. What's the domain of sine and cosine? No matter what the transformation, all reals. How about the range? The range is affected by A and D working in tandem. So the original range is -1 to 1. A will make it -3 to 3. Okay? And by moving up 1, we'll be at -2 to 4. Questions on that? Okay. How about phase shift? How far, what direction? What's our C over B? Pi over 2 in what direction? Right. Good. What else could I possibly ask? Yeah, period. How could I forget? Period. 2 pi over the absolute value of b, also the absolute value of 2 pi over b. 2 pi is positive, so it doesn't really need absolute values. What's all b here? 2. What's 2 pi over the absolute value of 2? Pi. Good. Alright, that pretty much summarizes that one. So let's go in order. What do we start with? Well, yeah, the graph of cosine. But while I'm graphing this guy, what letter do we start with? Wait. By the RB is 2. In terms of transformations, what does B tell you? We're going to horizontally compress by a factor of 2 in terms of ordered pairs. What do we do to the x quotient? One more time. Multiply by 1/2 or divide by 2. Either one is acceptable. Very good. I'm going to do this one in orange. Oh, you know what? I should have made this orange. Can I change the color after I'm done? That'd be awesome. Ooh, it's in 1970s 3D. Yeah. Dividing all the x values by 2, the middle point does not change because its x value is 0. So where does this point at pi over 2 move? Pi over 4. And if you think about it, all the important points happen at pi over 2 for the original graph, divided by 2. They're now going to happen at pi over 4 intervals, which in our case is every tick mark along the x-axis. On your test, you're going to have cosine of 78x, which means you have to divide every coordinate by 78. Good luck with that. Oh, I missed the point. I'll just make it bigger. I'm allowed to do that, you're not. C over B is next. C over B is pi over 2. So we're going to move pi over 2 to the right. Just as we said before, since we're counting by pi over 4 units, then pi over 2 is 2 tick marks. So take every point and move it 2 tick marks to the right. Again, once you get your pattern down, you can stop counting. Two more, then we're done. Let's apply the A next. So instead of going between negative 1 and 1, we're now going to go between so multiply all the like coordinates by A. So instead of between negative 1 and 1, we're going to go between negative 3 and 3. Yes. So take all the orange ones, anywhere where it's crossing the x-axis. I'm sorry, all the green ones, apologize. Anywhere that's crossing the x-axis, those do not change because 3 times 0 is typically. Anywhere where it's at 1 will now go to 3. And negative 1 will go to negative 3. Now this is going to get crazy pretty soon. If it's not there already. Lastly, take your red points, move them up 1 unit. Oh, I don't think I'm going to like the black. It's too late. We're committed. So unlike Hollywood marriages, we're going to make this last.